Film it as
So this is Eric getting in a Eurocopter, and it is a Eurocopter 155, and we're leaving Boca Airport on our way to watch the Miami Dolphins beat the Buffalo Bills.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, baby.
Okay, Eric.
All right.
Get in there, buddy.
I need to go on the other side. What do you want me to take a picture right here? Go ahead.
He's gonna sit in. He's gonna get it on the other side.
Yeah.
Okay, Eric, come on.
Helicopters are on the other side. Okay.
All right.
Hi, man.
This row, you can get us in the front row.
I go on the other side.
Yeah. All right.
All right.
December.
Yes.
And right there's a handle, buddy.
Good. Excellent. All right. Up front, you're part of the
You have to tell the story of how we crashed.
Oh my. Who's that?
Right, go to the side.